In this demo, I'll guide you through accessing the SDRconnect server from SDRplay on either a Linux system or a Raspberry Pi. Rather than relying on a DNS service, we'll utilize QB device management with its secure remote access. This ensures all device ports remain closed, yet you can securely access via the QB VPN. Ensure you have a free QB account and have installed the QB agent on your Linux machine before proceeding. Let's briefly review the video from SDRplay. They recommend setting up your router to expose port 50,000 to the open internet. While this method is functional, it leaves that port open to everyone. Instead, we employ the QB end-to-end tunnel, allowing the port to be securely accessed on the remote client using the SDRconnect desktop tool. Now we are in the QB web application. Find your device and make sure that the Connect to Console button is green. Now we start the SDRconnect desktop app, available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS, on the remote client. This is the machine from which you want to access the Raspberry Pi server. Find your device, select Custom Port 50,000 and connect. This will map the port 50,000 to a different port on your local machine. Here it is 58,586. Copy this number. Then open the server list and create your server. The IP address is 127.0.0.1, which stands for localhost. SDRconnect maps the remote port 50,000 to the localhost port 58,586. Save your settings. Now you need to refresh the service list. Select RPI Audio and connect. QB has set up a secure, end-to-end encrypted tunnel between the SDRconnect server running on the remote Raspberry Pi on port 50,000 and the localhost port on this machine. This enables you to securely access your SDRconnect server from anywhere in the world without any security challenges. In part 2 of this tutorial we look at automatically configuring SDRconnect.